So there it is, the Axial Capra build finally completed. Overall, I would say the build went very well. The instruction manual is pretty clear, very nice. A few things here and there that were a little bit tricky to do, but as is the case with any build, that's pretty standard. Some things to note that were pretty nice about this kit, and that is the bleed screws in the caps of the shocks, which make the shock building go very smooth. It makes bleeding the shocks very nice. The right and left-handed threads on the links make for a very nice, easy way to get the car squared up from side to side. Nice addition, nice job from Axial adding that as part of the design. The interior comes with a nice amount of stickers to add a lot of detail to the interior to make it look good. The assembly of the portals, very simple, goes really smooth. Directions there are very, very clear. And as you can see, the clearance under the axles is pretty significant. The new transmission and dig both went together very well. Instructions laid them out very clearly, and overall I would say I was pretty happy. I think the overall look of the kit is great, and I think this is going to serve for a great U4 style race buggy. I think this kit will appeal to beginners and experienced scalers, crawlers, and racers alike. Choose the electronics that you want, brushless, brushed, either way, this kit will handle it perfectly. And once you get it out onto the trail, you're going to see what a great performer it actually is. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and comment down below on what you think of the new Axial Capra.